Came to the track today, and as you can see, it is up in the air. We, well, I launched it, made it about probably 20 feet, and the rear end decided to shear itself. So we got another one coming on its way. Got everything unbolted, ready for it to go in. Got my little helper here, my boy Asher. So hopefully get things going here in an hour or two. Work on Daddy's car? Huh? What are you doing, Asher? No? Hey. You being camera shy? What? Show everybody. Stock suspension, forward parts, springs. Only thing I've got is little BMR pieces there. Other than that, that's it. Your son helps you get the tools. What you got there, buddy? You got the tools for me? Thank you, bud. Swapping rear ends at the track. Want some Pringles, buddy? Huh? We got the broke diff. We got the spare diff. And then we got the diff that's in the car. Turn, buddy. We gotta turn. Right back on. There you go. Yeah! Look at you go, yeah! Made 2 passes with the new diff, and both times ran both new personal bests in the 8th mile. What are you doing? All right, those Cheetos, huh? You good?